I'm going to guide you on how to stop messages and emails on your Android phone from being spied on. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get this done, first of all you need to launch your phone settings. Then you need to scroll down. Then tap on apps. Then tap on apps again. Then you are going to see those dots on your top right corner. You need to tap on them. Then you are going to see special access. Tap on it. Then it will land you on this page, special access. Now you are going to scroll down a little bit. Then you will tap on notification access. So as you can see, this is the list of apps that you have granted access to your notification. And when this feature is turned on, the apps that you have granted access to this feature will be able to read your notification and all your messages that are in those notifications. Let's say, for example, if I want to turn on this feature for Google. Now, if I tap on that button to turn it on, you will see that Google will be able to read all notifications posted by the system or any installed app, which may include personal information such as contact names and the text of the message sent to you. So as you can see, if we turn on this feature, these apps will be able to read the text messages sent to us. So we do not want that. We do not need to allow that to happen. So you will just choose the apps that you want to get access to this feature. So let's say, for example, Android or Auto. I've enabled it because it makes me aware of any notification that have entered my phone. So you need to select the apps that you need to grant access. So I'm going to turn off Photocaller here, then disable. Then notice if I'm going to turn it off, then disable. So I'm going to leave only Android Auto. And do not worry if you turn off this feature on these apps, because whenever they want to grant access to this feature, they will ask you, and that is when you will decide whether you grant access or not. So do not worry about that. That's how you can easily stop your messages and emails on your Android phone from being spied on. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.